In this video, we will see how to install Flutter and do the setup with Visual Studio Code and make our first app. So for that, just open your browser and type Flutter and click enter. The first website you will see is official website of Flutter. Open it. Uh, in this, just go to get started according to your operating system. Open it uh, and download the zip file. It is 834 MB. Once you complete your download, open your file explorer, go into C drive and create one new folder and name it src source. After this, open your download. Here you will see our downloaded file. Right click on it and click on extract all. Browse it to the folder that we just created, that is inside C drive, the src folder, and just click on select folder and click on extract. It is a very big folder, so it may take 5 to 10 minutes. Once you finish extracting the file, open the Flutter and inside Flutter folder, go to bin and copy the path till bin. We need to add this path to our system environment. For that, open and edit the system environment variable. Click on environment variables. Inside this, go open path, click on new and paste the path here and click on OK, OK, and once again OK. Now let's check that we have installed our Flutter correctly. Open command prompt, type here Flutter doctor and enter. And this means that we have successfully downloaded the Flutter file. After this, now let's open Visual Studio Code. If you don't have this, I will provide the link in the description. You can download it from there. Inside Visual Studio Code, we need to download two extensions. If you are new here, don't worry. You have to just go to extension and write your Flutter Flutter and click on install. After this, now we need to install one more extension, and that is for Dart. Flutter uses Dart language. I have already installed it, so just click on install that we have done before. Uh, After installing both of this, now we are good to create our own project. I have already opened one folder here. I usually keep all my app app projects into one folder that's known as dev. You can just open new project from here. So inside this, open the terminal and click inside this folder. Just type flutter create and whatever project name you want to give. I will give post app and enter. Now Flutter will create all the background files and whatever it's required, and it will also give us a dummy app that we can run. So yes, we have successfully created our app, and here is all the required file, but the main file will be in lib folder, and here is uh, all the code required for that dummy app. uh, for now we will open this app in Chrome. In our next video we will surely open the app in emulator, Android emulator. So uh, now we will open it in Chrome only. So click uh, right click on this folder and run without debugging. Click on it. It will launch the app in our Chrome browser. When we launch for the first time, it usually takes more time, but after this, it will load fast. And our first app has been loaded. Uh, it's just a basic and increment. increment app. Right now we have opened this in our web page, but next time we will open this in Android emulator. So yeah, congrats, you have created your first app. We have now successfully completed the installation of a Flutter in our system with connected with Visual Studio Code. And if you gain any knowledge from this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And thank you. We will see you in the next one.